Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and I have found the coziest companion for enjoying nature, and that is this Molithe outdoor wool blanket. This blanket provides me with so much warmth. My whole body just feels extra reinforced against whatever chill when I'm using this blanket. It has this great heavy feel to it. The wool is really dense, and I think that that is the key to keeping the warmth in and the cold out. I love the color of it. I think that that dark gray color complements the texture of the wool really well. It has this beautiful edge stitching detail that I think just adds to the rustic charm of the blanket. Carrying around a blanket can sometimes be a little bit awkward and clumsy. The carrying strap makes it so easy, and I could take it with me everywhere. I feel so toasty with this blanket, and I can still enjoy the outdoors. It feels really well made and tough enough to endure any outdoor excursions. My husband and I have also really enjoyed using this blanket indoors too. It may be getting more and more frigid outside, but this outdoor wool blanket is just what I needed to help me to continue to appreciate the outdoors. But that's just my point of view.